This is the control panel for the Lauer 4TD series of machines. This would also apply to the 2TD 500 as well. The first switch in the upper left corner is the feed switch that activates and controls the conveyor. Directly above that is your variable speed for the conveyor. The next button you have is a 3-position switch. It is for the discs number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are the 2 discs in the very front or the in-feed side of the machine. They are bidirectional, so you have to the left for clockwise, center is off, and to the right is counterclockwise. Again, directly above that is the variable speed control for the abrasive rotation. The same thing applies to the next switch. That is discs 3 and 4. That will be the rearward 2 discs, and this machine, it would be 2 brushes. It is also bidirectional, but again, your brushes need to run in the correct direction to function. They are variable speed as well. Last is your oscillation. You can choose the shorter stroke that holds the abrasives in the center of the working table, or you can go to the right to choose the full width of the conveyor belt for the maximum working capacity. That oscillation speed, its speed traveling left and right, is also on a variable speed, so you can control that as well. The next switch here in the center on the far left is your pinch rollers. They are pneumatically controlled, and basically what the switch allows you to do is lift the pinch rollers out of the way of the material. That switch is a single position where it is straight up is off, to the right lifts the rollers away from the conveyor. Typically, if you have a smaller part, say a 4x4 square of thin material, you can lift those up out of the way so that the parts don't have any trouble pushing under the rollers. Whereas if you have something that's 4 inches wide and 60 inches long, you would want those pinch rollers down to keep that part secure as it's being processed. Directly next to that is the digital readout. That is part of the new revisions to the DiscMaster line of machines. This digital readout shows your position between the abrasives and the conveyor belt. That is something that is set up much like the original style, and that will be covered later. The lower left, you have tool change. Basically what that is a button that allows with a single press for the machine to open to its maximum working height. It just makes it easier for cleaning, changing your abrasives, things like that. The far right in the lower far right corner is your height adjustment. It is powered up and down both, and it is on a frequency inverter as well, so a light quick touch will change it by a small value, where pressing and holding it will change it much quicker and a faster ratio. The same applies in the downward motion as well.